The UNITA Alliance take decisions for you and your university. Student representatives have key roles every step of the way. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does a student representative do? Well, being a student rep means you're the voice of your fellow students. You'll be sitting in important meetings, proposing new ideas, and making sure our needs are heard. You'll also get to vote on big decisions that affect all 250,000 students in UNITA. The student representatives take strategic decisions in the governance board with rectors, define every detail of their decisions in the management committee with vice rectors and the chiefs of the administrative staff, put the decisions into practice in each task team, and then check if their decisions have made the right impact in the quality evaluation board. Every student representative inside the Student Assembly has its role. Altogether, they collaborate to improve our community. It's not just about improving academic life. As a rep, you can help launch projects in areas like student well-being, gender equality, or even how we use digital tools across universities. Plus, you get the chance to meet and collaborate with students from all over Europe. Not only does it look great on your CV, but it also builds leadership, communication, and negotiation skills. So, who can be a student rep? If you're a student, undergrad, or PhD, at any of the 12 UNITA universities, you can run for elections.